Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Again, I'm standing, hooray! We're going to look at how to utilise these things to throw people. Before we start, if you really like to support this channel, a thumbs up, a like,
a subscribe,
a comment, visit our merch shop, all helps keep this channel going and building us to bigger and better things.
We'd sell more t-shirts if we had a better model for them. This technique is going to be one of a series of throwing techniques using the cane, and what you'll see is they're in kata, which is the important thing. Very simple throw to start with, and I have my ever so compliant Callum, so he's given me the opportunity to grab his arm, I grabbed his shoulder, and this is going to be the proverbial basic karate punch. As I step through, pull, push, and at the same time hack the leg. One, Reggie. Can I make this better with a cane? Well, of course I can. Going to do this with the left hand first. Going to do it with the right hand, and then I'm going to do it again, just using the cane and not grabbing with my spare hand. So, ever so compliant Callum. We will do entry drills later. This is just to get the basic technique worked out, then we'll drill how to do it if it's aggressive. But normally, it'd be grabbing here, grabbing here. I'm just going to grab here. Step through, I don't need to use my hand. I will, because I can. I'm going to pull, I'm going to do very, very gently, hack, and I'm taking the cane off as it goes down. As you can see, it looked a bit rough because I had to be very gentle with Callum. If I haven't hooked here, I can hook here, do the grab, I'm pulling, I'm pushing, I'm hacking. Nice and simple. Right hand, I've controlled him, I've grabbed him. Now push, if I pull that way, can you feel the difference?
Yeah.
Because what I did was twist the cane. If I just push, it's mildly irritated. If I push and twist, exactly the same. Nothing has changed. The reason that twist works, we'll show you how it affects the body. If Callum moves, if I push, I'm pushing on the clavicle, uncomfortable. If I hook on, it hooks on the scapula. And as that rotates in there, that is painful. But this piece is also rubbing on here as well. So I'm getting a 2-for-1 effect with my cane. So as I'm doing that, he's not happy. So I'm pushing, pulling. I haven't even stepped in and taken his leg away yet.
Perfect.
That was very painful.
Right. As usual, I've had an idea. So this was me holding the cane that way. If I've got it in a standard walking grip, so I'm going to give it to Callum so he can get his own back.
Okay.
So you're going to hold it just standard grip. So he's going to grab hold of my elbow, my shoulder with his left hand. Now he can't really hook. He can push quite nicely, but we've got this, so let's utilise it. So hook the groin. So you're going to push, pull, step past, and you can stop there. What's changed? The grip technique has remained exactly the same. I was worried then.
So was I.
Looking at the two canes, there's a lot of movement, and there's the kickback, which I've got really no power there at all. I'm going to say hello to my grabby cane. I have two canes, they're not equal. This is a heavy, heavy striking cane, and this is what I call my come here cane. And the reason being, Chris points to the horn, it's almost like a pt1. It's very pointed. So if Chris is coming up to me, I want to control the situation. Popping the cane up with the crook forward, I've now got my defence, I've got cover, the windscreen, he's got something he can hit. Now if we look at the area that we were talking about, your shoulder blade is here, or the scapula, and it's your wings. And it's a bone that comes all the way here, nice big bone. But if you do this, you can feel the moving inwards. What I want to do is get that point in between the bone and the muscle, and I'm just going to gently, because it's horrible.
Ow.
So I'm now going to change the canes with Chris. Because I don't, it's just in case my mobility is a little bit bad. If I go down and I've got that stuck there, I'm going to do Chris a lot of damage. So he's coming up to me, I've got my guard, if I need to. I'm then going to come in, and like the wall Kata, I'm now lifting this cane up, but Chris is going to become my support. I've got it stuck in that muscle that I like, or I've got it stuck in the neck. There's a lovely little area here, just by the collarbone or the clavicle. I could even have it stuck in there if I can't get through to this bit. So I'm just going to rest this on there just for a sec. Now the throw is going to be basically, I'm going to pull down. Now Chris is now my support. Change the cane position, hook the knee, and then I'm going to push away. Not technically a throw, in the classic sense of the move, but effective enough to stop the attack, come through, bring him to a position that I want him in, not what he wants to be in, and to get away. Okay, I'm in the chair. I've got my little half cane. I'm going to bring Chris in. Now, if you've seen videos before from us, you know the 3 points of the arm. This is coming down. Oh, gravity, thou art heartless. I've got the move to come through. Normally, it'd be that nice hung-guard movement. You know, one direction, one the other. We can bring circles in with it. And the classic one that Chris really likes is that comes down, that comes up to the neck. Why did you let go? It comes up to the neck and you're using the head to move. So let's look at the cane. Well, the first thing, if I've got the cane in my left hand, as with Chris, I'm using that to bring that down, and then I'm going to circle away. And it is literally that throw. In the Kata, you've got that movement. The cane's in this hand, I'm rolling this through, but it's like clockwise motion. So even my arm on its own will bring it through. From there, once I get to here, personally, I like to push and pull. If I want to go for the legs, I'm going to look to see how he's standing. Which is his most dominant leg? Where's his power? Where's his base? This leg. Because if I move this leg, it's going to alter his body position either way. If I go for this leg, I'm off balance, and that fist is going to... he loves doing that. But if I come from here, and I'm just doing 2 opposite circles, that's all I'm going to do. So again, in the chair, it is a throw. Personally, I will not throw because if he lands on me, I'm 2-3 weeks bed rest, everything's over. So I would use circle motion in and get in the hell away from me. Drop the cane, figure of 8s, little pokey bits, or I could just do nyeh, and you won't attack me again ever, will you?
No, it's too scary.
Thanks for watching the video, we hope you like it, and we look forward to hearing from you.
Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. If you want to look as smart as we do, don't forget to check out the merchandise on Teesprings.
Check out our social media accounts, see what's going on in the world of Sons of Cane.
Hit that bell and free the fear.